But sometimes you just hear it. You can't keep your head on a swivel. I mean, I look up and he's getting wet. Oh, there we go. Woo! Boy, I feel like you missed it. I smacked him down. I got to punch that one down.
You got the ding there on the ding.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, they're back behind you. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh my God.
That was like 6, 7
You
feet
want
up
to
in the
hang
air.
there? Oh! 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 Here we go.
Hit the cameraman. Nailed me right in the back.
Did he?
Oh, yeah.
There's some good hang.
Watch your hands, we're in the tree.
Oh!
Oh!
You're afraid to turn around.
Oh,
There you go. There we go.
Oh, Joe, see, he said.
Oh, Joe.
Go ahead and get him out.
Hey, only got to get 4 more.
Yeah, nailed me in the side.
Oh, here we go.
God, right in the head.
Oh! Look at that!
Holy!
Whoa! Look at this! Oh! Hot dog! You're getting whacked in the head! Oh, we got another. Whoa!
Oh!
Catch one! You couldn't catch him this time.
Oh, if you have my knife, I stab it.
Oh, yeah! Boom!
Oh, they're coming in close. If we hadn't batted them all back in, we would have had the record.
Oh, no. Oh, there's one! I'm on my shoulder! He went right over my
I got you, buddy.
I gotta say, it's hard to hold the camera still. We're gonna get it right here.
We need to bring the ball here. Oh! Got another. That's 8. 8 in the boat. Look at this. That way.
It was in, back in the 90s when he came in.
Oh!
How many have we got now?
He bent the pole.
So what do we have, 18 now?
Man, that's not funny. That is not funny.
I think it's kind of funny. Yeah, I have to admit I do too.
I think it's broke, dude. I'm gonna have to fix that one.
18. There's 18 in the boat. You're gonna.
Oh! 19.
19. I got
Oh my
scales stuck to me.
50. Give me here 20.
Yeah, we gotta get 20.